Hello guys, this is Ethan from Jingo Mining. What I'm holding at is the latest generation of Bitcoin Solo Lite from Jingo Miner. It comes in with 1.2 terahash at the power consumption of only 23 watts. This performance is truly outstanding in the solo miner market. And if you are wondering why I've chosen solo mining or even what solo mining is, so essentially, it's not about earning small amounts of Bitcoin every day, but about chasing that rare yet massive opportunity to win an entire Bitcoin block reward through solo mining. Imagine this, a single successful solo mining attempt could net you over $330,000 worth of Bitcoin. That's 3.125 BTC, the current block rewards, plus all the transaction fees included in that block. And this opportunity arises like clockwork every 10 minutes. So yes, with just an affordable Jingo Miner BTC Solo Lite, we have a shot at owning a piece of trillion-dollar assets. I don't know how closely you follow Bitcoin, but it's literally worth trillions of dollars. From Bitcoin ETFs to publicly traded mining companies valued at millions, hundreds of millions, or even billions, to cryptocurrency exchanges specializing in Bitcoin trading, their market caps are enormous. The Bitcoin industry isn't going anywhere. It's deeply rooted in the global financial system. Bitcoin's value isn't just growing because of expanding scale. It's also driven by its inherent digital scarcity. With a hard cap of 21 million coins, transparently verified on the blockchain, the supply of new coins is dwindling, and the block rewards halves every 4 years. So, as a wise Chinese saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago, and the second best time is now. So if you're also interested, why not watch this video and learn more about newly released Jingo Miner BTC Solo Lite. So here is what you will find when you open the package. Instructions, a Wi-Fi signal booster, and machine itself, and a power cable, and 4 power adapters for different regions: European, American, Australian, and British standards. Very thoughtful, isn't it? So this BTC Solo Lite is about 11 centimeters long and 3 centimeters tall, making it quite compact. And on the front there is a fan. On the top is a display. And to the left there are 2 bottoms. The top one is for turning the screen on and off, and the bottom one is for switching between display pages. And on the top of the machine is the port for the Wi-Fi signal boosters, though the miner naturally supports wireless operation. And next, I will guide you through a quick setup process. After plugging in the power, you will see a page displaying the network name for Wi-Fi configuration. And simply take out your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi, and you will be directed to the backend. So click on the top left corner to find settings, and then enter your home Wi-Fi username and password. Yes, you will need to manually input the username as well. And next, enter your mining pool and port and wallet address. And again, the port needs to be entered manually. So finally, click Save and then restart. Your BTC Solo Lite will start running. And all you need to do is just wait for the good news. And additionally, there are 4 display pages for this device. You can switch between them by pressing the button below, while the button above is used to turn off the screen. And as you can see, this is the main page with the IP address displayed at the top. And with this, you can access the backend settings anytime from your phone or your computer, as long as they are on the same local network. On the left side, from top to bottom, it shows runtime, best difficulty, and current hash rate. And on the right side, from top to bottom, it displays chip model, fan speed, chip temperature, input voltage, chip voltage, and current and total power consumption, and also power consumption per terahash. You can see the total power consumption, which is very low and helps us significantly reduce operating costs. And the second page shows us the data we previously set in the backend, which can also be adjusted at any time. And these settings include voltage, frequency, the power, and among this, frequency is the most crucial, as you know, as a higher frequency means a higher hash rate. So this Solo Lite can be set up to 600, which is very powerful, And on the right side, it displays pool information, which can also be adjusted through the backend. And the third page is more interesting. While it shows the current hash rate and chip temperature, it also updates the real-time market price of a single Bitcoin. I think this should be the main page, It's a constant reminder that you could be the next lucky guy. In summary, these 4 pages cover all the information you need, combining professionalism and attention to detail to the fullest. Whether you are a mining novice or an experienced miner, you can access real-time machine data anytime, anywhere. And now let's test its noise level and the temperature. As a small power consumption mining unit, its noise and the temperature are naturally not very noticeable. However, to be honest, it's not completely silent though. Because due to the design, we've set the fan speed to its maximum, for better heat dissipation performance. But still, it's not a big deal. We can test it now. So, as you can see, it's around 45 decibel. So you can easily fall asleep next to it. I don't think you will affect anything, As for the temperature, right there. So we measured 29 degrees. So I've had it running for like 17 minutes for now. And you can see over there, the power consumption keeps staying at around 25 watts. It's like very low power consumption. Doesn't cost much power. And actually, I guess you could even see even less one on the solo miner market. But let me remind you, the hash rate of this Jingle miner BTC Solo Miner Lite is 1.2 terahash. So its efficiency is still very outstanding. And also with the intentionally increased fan speed, its heat dissipation performance is also outstanding. We can test it right now. So we can see at what high temperature this Jingle Miner BTC Solo Lite will be throttling or shut down. Who knows? We can test it now. And here it actually shows the inside temperature. So I'm gonna put it inside and heat it up. And because this Jingle Miner BTC Solo Lite has overheating protection, it means it will shut down automatically at one certain temperature. We just gonna figure out what it is. Let's do it then. Alright guys, and as you can see, the inside temperature now is reached to 43 degrees. That's crazy. And the unit is still running normal. So we're gonna keep heating up to see at what exact temperature it will shut down. So the moment when it shut down, right there, here we go. So at 46 degrees, it was 46. At 46 degrees, and the overheating protection will be operate. It will shut down by itself automatically. So I think it's still very impressive, like small unit or small fan like this, it still can hold until 46 degrees at the room temperature. Alright guys, right now, actually I'm gonna tearing down this Jingle Miner BTC Solo Lite to see how's the instruction inside. So the entire open source solution for the Jingle Miner BTC Solo Lite comes from NerdX and BeatX. And also, we can see that the fan is directly placed on the heatsink, for better cooling performance. And the fan measures 40 by 20 millimeters, operates at 5 watts, and features dual ball bearings, which provide longer lifespan, more stable operation, and lower noise compared to single ball bearing fans. And the fan can achieve an impressive maximum speed of around 8,200 RPM. And below the heatsink is a powerful BM1370 chip, which comes from Beatmain's latest generation S21 machine. And this chip is marketed by its powerful computing capability and secure operational performance. Through this video, I believe you've gained a good understanding of this device. Its high efficiency and excellent quality control are worth your serious consideration. And plus, with all those news stories about people successfully solo mining Bitcoin, isn't it tempting, guys? And for such a small investment, you really have a chance to win big Bitcoin rewards. Alright, and that's all for the video today. And if you're interested, feel free to visit our official website, jinglemining.com, and we are a leading global supplier of cryptocurrency mining hardware and related services. You can trust us with confidence. So, what do you guys think about this Jingle Miner BTC Solo Lite? Let me know in a comment. And I'm Ethan. I'll see you next time.